Another mastermind hit.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mastermind here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to take a quick look at the new Windows 11 start menu. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Let's see here. Headset was acting weird on me. So as you saw in the other video, my first impressions, I've had this Windows 11 now for about 2 weeks, and I'm trying to still get my feel for this start menu, which is now deadlocked into the center. So far, I have not located a new way to move it back in the corner. I'm sure there's probably a hack out there or a trick out there to make it go back. I will be working on it. But right now, I just want to talk about the difference. So as you can notice, you have these apps here. They're pinned. You can also hit all apps, and this is going to give you all of your programs that you have. So if you're trying to figure out where all your apps are, they're still going to be in alphabetical order. But then the ones that you use the most are going to be pinned here. I did not personally pin these apps to this here. This kind of was done automatically after the upgrade. Just for a reminder, if you didn't watch the last video, I did do the upgrade from within Windows using the Windows Upgrade Assistant. If you're new to my channel, please do me a big favor. I'm just now getting started with this channel, so do me a favor and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I know there's a lot of Windows 11 videos out there, but I'm going to try to make mine a little bit different. Everybody does it different. But anyway, thanks for being here if you're watching it and you're already subscribed. But yeah, so come back to the start menu itself. Some of the things that I think are important to point out. When it goes to turn the computer off, you still have this little power button symbol here, which has been on the start menu since maybe Windows 8. You would click on this and you can do a sleep mode, shut down, or restart. Here is my profile, and we click on that. I can sign out, I can lock it, or I can change the account settings. Then you also have the Edge browser, which I don't use. Word, Office, basically. If you have Office, this will already be in here. Even if you don't have Office, I suspect they'll do what they did in Windows 10 and put a, trial version in there that, eventually will ask you to sign up and pay them a monthly fee. Don't do it. If you scroll your mouse up and down, if you have a scroll bar on your mouse, you can go up and down on this start menu. And then if you're looking for stuff, you can also search here. So for example, it's going to show me, what I search in today's history. I can pull it up and I can look and see. And funny enough, this is not actually what I searched. Haha. This is what their history search is, not mine. That's weird. Another thing I want to point out is something new that wasn't there before. Is this button here, this multiple desktop button, which allows you to basically have multiple desktops. This is something they were playing with in Windows 10 that I don't think really had a good success. We also have this other button here, just the widget button, and this is going to bring up some widgets. Your weather, stocks. This is kind of preset. I really didn't have I don't see there is some control here. These three little dots, you can click on them and report or manage interest, hide stories. So you can change a little bit, but I still think when I go to add widgets, the ability to add widgets are really kind of limited. It's not like you can add like your own TikTok widget, for example, or a Google widget. I think those are the kind of things that will actually come in the future, is they'll have more. And then you have this thing, personalized with interest. So again, this is all part of the new start menu. Also, you still have your file explorer. If you want to bring up your file browser, you can still do that, and bring up your files. And something else that I think is cool, and you may not know this yet, and I'll go over this a little bit more, is that in Windows 11 you can also run the Google Play Store. So let me show you let me show you that that's actually on here. Like, I think it is. Wait a minute. How did I do this before? Oh, yeah. Down here in the bottom, you're going to see something that says Nova Launcher. When I hit this, if it works properly, we should actually see my my Android. It worked last time I tried it, so maybe it won't work. But anyway, Android is on Windows 11. And you can run the apps. There's a little bit trick to it, which I'm going to show y'all. So for some reason, it's taking a while for it to load up. I only used it once. There it is. I don't want nobody to call me an exaggerator, but here you go. So here is my Google Play Store. Just so you know, I'm not making that up. And this is now part of my start menu. And I can pin this on here. See, pin the taskbar. Then I can exit this out, exit that out. And then if I want to bring the Play Store back up, I can just bring it back up. And I can install apps just like I would on my Android device. So again, that's a whole nother video. I'll show you how I did that. So if you really like to know more about that, make sure you go ahead and mash that like button so I can get working on that video. And like I said, I'd love to know how you feel about the new start menu in the comments. Again, I'm going to do some more Windows 11 videos to kind of go through some more different things that I've learned as I go. And if you didn't know from previous videos, I've been working on computers since I was about 15 years old. You know, I'm disabled. I have a traumatic brain injury. And so I'm kind of like the absent-minded professor. So, but a lot of people call me a mastermind because I'm somehow able to use technology to help me with my brain injury. So if you have a brain injury out there and you're watching this, just know that there's things you can still do. And I'll be glad to help you if you need help setting up your YouTube channel and you would like to talk more about brain injury stuff. That's another channel I'm working on as well. Keep an eye out for that one. So again, I thank you for being here. I'm going to get started working on the next video, and I will see you soon. Peace.